Ladies and gentlemen, in this video tutorial, I'll provide you with help to get rid of the browser hijacker called Trustedsear.ch. Trustedsear.ch is a browser hijacker attacking Google, Chrome, and other browsers. When you go to this site, Trustedsear.ch, you'll see this information, but in reality this Trustedsear.ch is actually functioning as a site that redirects your search queries to something else, to something different from Trustedsear.ch. This means that the browser got hijacked with certain browser hijacking extension and you need to get rid of it. So access the menu, extensions, manage extensions, and then when you find anything unfamiliar here, get rid of it. Also, I recommend you to research this system with Combo Cleaner. Go to the website combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and then start carefully researching your computer with its help. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.